Welcome to AZ Solutions, working with bullets and numbers. First of all, you need to ensure that you position your cursor exactly where you want your bullet to appear. From the Home tab, select the bullet. Then you can type your wording. When you're done, you can press Enter and the bullet will automatically appear for you. I'll do a few more. If you no longer want the bullet to appear, simply hit Enter twice and that will stop the bullet. If you would like the bullets to be, instead of bullets, you would like to use numbers, simply click on the number icon from your ribbon under the Home tab, the little 1, 2 and 3, and the number will appear. Type in the text followed by Enter. And if you would like to, again, so that's Enter twice, and then the numbering will stop. With your numbering, if you would like to put something in between the 2 and the 3, for example, if you go to the end of that line and simply hit Enter, a new number will automatically appear for you. If you decide that no, it's not numbers, you would like them to be in bullets, you can select your bullet points, your numbers that you have there, and change them into bullets. When you select, notice that the 1, 2, 3 and 4 do not become selected. Simply hit the bullets and they will be converted. Same if you had bullets and you wanted to make them into numbers, what you're selecting is the text. Don't think that you're trying to select the actual bullets themselves, and then click on numbers and they will change. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions. We are also do face-to-face training in Sydney. Thank you for watching.